What's good, y'all? Rods here. Today's hardware review features the RazoRock Game Changer JAWS. RazoRock has continued to release wonderful budget-friendly razors here in 2019, and they took their most popular open comb model, the JAWS, and upgraded it to the Game Changer line in 2019 to many wet shavers' content. RazoRock products can be purchased on ItalianBarber.com if you're so inclined. So the Game Changer JAWS is a CNC machined 316L stainless steel razor featuring engraving in the bottom, unique serial number for quality control. Just like the other Game Changer models, the blade posts are in the base plate, which takes some getting used to, but load the blade centered and true, and when you sandwich it down, due to the CNC machining process, there is no blade chatter, no misalignment possible, as you can see, and really a nice, well-built, sturdy razor. The tight tolerances are a plus because of the materials of construction as well as the CNC machining process. The blade gap on this is 0.84 millimeters, just like the Game Changer 0.84 millimeter option, and this weighs in at 2.6 to 2.8 ounces depending on the handle you choose when you purchase from Italian Barber. So this comes in at a mid-aggressive level for me as a shaver. I don't particularly like open comb razors on my dome shaves, and this unfortunately is no exception for me. I get what I call comb distraction on my dome. While the combs of this razor are not overly sharp, they do distract me on my dome, particularly when I'm shaving blind in the back of my head. This is a very efficient razor, despite only being mid-aggressive for me. It'll take down many days of growth with ease and no irritation. The combs themselves lend themselves well to flow through and not leaving any whiskers behind. Angle of attack on this razor is very intuitive. If you have any experience with the other Game Changer models, you'll pick this one up quite easy. And despite my unfortunate dome shave with this, like all other open combs, I do find this quite a pleasant face shaver. I've been able to get several close, comfortable, irritation-free shaves with this razor, much like my safety bar version of the Game Changer 84. This one delivers just as nicely. Despite my inability to use the Game Changer JAWS on my dome, I'm still quite impressed with this razor. Early on in my wet shaving career, I used the RazoRock JAWS quite often and loved it on the face. This one is even better from recollection, and really enjoyed the product. Wonderful stainless steel, very well affordable razor considering the quality and the craftsmanship behind this. Do hope you'll have the opportunity to check it out, particularly if you're a fan of open comb razors. As always, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you have anything to say, and if you're not already a subscriber, please become one. See ya.